Hello friends, now this is complex number lecture number 7. In this lecture we'll be learning complex cube root of unity, a very important concept of complex number, that is complex cube root of unity. So let us start complex cube root of unity. If omega is complex cube root of unity, therefore omega is what? It is cube root of unity, means 1. Taking cube on both the sides. So omega cube is what? 1. Therefore, omega cube minus 1 is what? 0. The factors are omega minus 1 into omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. So omega is 1 or omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. We'll find out value of omega by formula method. Omega is what? Minus b, a omega square plus b omega plus c. So b is what? Minus 1 plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So omega is 1 or omega is minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3 upon 2. Therefore omega is 1 or omega is what? Minus 1 plus minus root 3 into I upon 2. Therefore omega is 1 or omega is what? Minus 1 plus root 3i upon 2, or omega is what? Minus 1 minus root 3i. I think in my second lecture I gave, if this is a, this is b, then a square we have proved as what? B, and b square we have proved as what? A. So if omega is what? Minus 1 plus root 3i, then omega square is what? Minus 1 minus root 3i upon 2. Or if omega is what? Minus 1 minus root 3i upon 2, then omega square will be what? Minus 1 plus root 3i upon 2. Therefore, cube roots of unity are one omega square. For complex cube root of unity, yet remember, first is what? From where the root has come. That is omega cube is what? 1. And second is what? From where you are getting complex cube roots. That is 1 plus omega square 0. This also says that sum of cube roots of unity is what? 0. Sum of cube roots of unity is what? 0. One problem based on complex cube root of unity. If omega is complex cube root of unity, then prove that a plus b omega plus c omega square upon c plus a omega plus b omega square is equal to omega square. Consider a plus b omega plus अब इसमें क्या चेक करना है? डिनोमिनेटर में किस टर्म में ओमेगा नहीं है? विल फाइंड सी. और न्यूमरेटर में सी के साथ क्या मल्टीप्लाइड है? ओमेगा स्क्वायर. तो इस केस में क्या करेंगे? हम लोग ओमेगा स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर लेंगे. वी विल मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय ओमेगा स्क्वायर. ए प्लस बी ओमेगा प्लस सी ओमेगा स्क्वायर into omega square divided by c plus a omega plus b omega square into omega square. न्यूमरेटर का ओमेगा स्क्वायर वैसे ही रहने दो, नीचे वाले को मल्टीप्लाई कर. a प्लस बी ओमेगा प्लस सी ओमेगा स्क्वायर into omega square upon c omega square plus a omega cube plus b omega raised to 4. A plus b omega plus c omega square into omega square. Now omega is complex cube root of unity. So omega cube is what? 1. So you get c omega square plus a and b omega raised to 4 is what? B omega. Reason? Since omega cube is what? 1 and omega raised to 4 is what? Omega cube into omega. 1 into omega, which is omega. Now a plus b omega plus c omega square is there. ये और ये ब्रैकेट कैंसिल हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? ओमेगा स्क्वायर. सी नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑन कॉम्प्लेक्स क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी. टू प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर क्यूब minus 1 minus 3 omega plus omega square cube is equal to 65. I am here to prove this. Since omega is complex cube root of unity, therefore omega cube is what? 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Now take first one. Consider 2 plus omega square cube minus 1 minus 3 omega plus omega square cube. This can be written as 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega square minus 3 omega raised to 3. Now 1 plus omega square is what? 0. 1 plus omega square is what? Minus omega. Reason, since so here we have replaced 1 plus omega square as 0. Here I have replaced 1 plus omega square as what? Minus omega. This is 1 cube is what? 1 minus 4 omega cube. Minus cube is what? Minus 4 cube is what? 64 omega cube. Omega cube is what? 1. So 64 into 1. So 1 plus 64 will give you 65. See second part. Consider a minus b into a minus b omega into a minus b omega square. We have to prove a cube minus b cube. And all of you know the factors of a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And already a minus b is there. तो इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके हमको क्या लाना है? a स्क्वायर प्लस ab प्लस b स्क्वायर लाना है. तो लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई. a माइनस b को टच मत करो, इसी को ही मल्टीप्लाई करो दोनों को पहले. a इंटू माइनस b ओमेगा स्क्वायर माइनस b इंटू a माइनस ab ओमेगा प्लस b स्क्वायर इंटू ओमेगा क्यूब. a minus b into, take minus ab common, so you'll get omega square plus omega. B square into omega cube is what? 1. Since omega cube is what? A minus b into minus ab into minus 1 plus b square. Since 1 plus omega square is what? 0. And this will give you a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And this is nothing but a cube minus b cube. Next question is, express the following in the form of a plus bi, where ab belongs to real number and I is what? Is square root of minus 1, using de Moivre's theorem. Now see this. Z is what? 1 minus root 3i raised to 4. In this case we will multiply divide by root of, इसके जो मैग्नीट्यूड है उससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, लेकिन रेज टू पावर 4 कर लेंगे. तो मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड डिवाइडिंग बाय रूट ऑफ 1 स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस रूट 3 स्क्वायर raised to 4, which is equal to root of 1 plus 3 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 4. So Z will become 2 raised to 4 into 1 minus root 3i upon 2, we can make common power 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. And this we can separate. 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 I raised to 4. And now this will write in the form of cos theta plus or minus I sin theta. Cos 60 minus I sin root 3 by 2 is what? Sin 60 raised to 4. According to de Moivre's theorem, power 4 will get multiplied to the corresponding angles by 3. So 16 times cos 4 pi by 3 minus I sin 4 pi by 3. Cos 4 pi by 3 can be written as cos pi plus minus I sin pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3 will go in third quadrant. And in third quadrant, cos is what? Negative. So minus cos pi by 3. Sin is also negative, to minus sin pi by 3. Cos 60 is minus half. Plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. 16 you multiply. So minus 8 plus 8 root 3 I. Which is in the form of a plus bi. Where a is what? Minus 8 and b is what? 8 root 3. Where a is what? B is 8 root 3. One more example on, you can see, minus root 3 minus 2i raised to 5. Now see this, multiplying and dividing by a root of minus 2 root 3 square minus 2 square whole raised to power 5. 12 plus 4, 16. Root of 16 is what? 4 raised to 5. तो 4 raised to 5 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? Z is equal to 4 raised to 5 minus 2 root 3 minus 2i upon 4 raised to 5. 4 raised to 5 is 1024. और माइनस का पावर ऑड नंबर इज व्हाट? माइनस विल कम आउटसाइड. फर्स्ट यू टेक माइनस आउटसाइड and separate 4. So 2 root 3 upon 4 is what? Root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2i raised to 5. 1024. Now root 3 by 2 is what? Cos 30. Cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 raised to 5. Cos 5 pi by 6 plus I sin 5 pi by 6 by de Moivre's theorem. Power will get multiplied to corresponding angles. minus 1024 into cos pi minus pi by 6 plus I sin pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 lies in second quadrant. And in second quadrant, cos is what? Negative. And sin is positive. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and minus sign is there. Plus half I. You can multiply 1024, so it will give you what? 512 root 3 minus 512 I, which is in the form of A plus BI, where A is 512 root 3 and B is what? Minus 512. Okay, friends. Next lecture number 8 will be on MCQs of complex number. Thank you very much.